Sorry, my battery is dead, but for now it's working. Okay, so I forgot to show you that the window all the time needs to be up. Okay, so we're going to connect again the connector to the master window switch. Okay, there, all the way up, there, and okay, we're going to disconnect later. Alright, so once that you remove this screw, just you need to disassemble right here, this one, if you can see, put it down, and that's it. Okay, okay, let's see. Look, the door lock actuator. Okay, and with your grinder you can cut right here, put the cut here to there, right there, and remove this little cover, this plastic cover right here. Okay, we don't need it, this one. And inside to this device, to this cover, you have your DC motor with the electrical issues. Okay, and let me show you, once that you repair the door lock, look, I already replaced the other motor to the passenger side, and right there is with the new motor. Okay, I put some JB wheel and it's working good. All right, so just with your cut tool, cut it right here, this side, this one, and remove these little clips right here. Okay, and you can replace this one, the DC motor. All right, this is the part number that you can get from Amazon. Okay, I put the link below on the description, and that's it, guys. All right, so thank you for support my channel. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.